Hello guys, welcome back to the video of Free Fire Max. So today I'm gonna show you how you can easily turn off music inside Free Fire Max. So first of all you need to open your Free Fire Max account. Then you need to click on settings on top right corner. Click on the settings icon. Then you will see here sound. Click on the sound, so you can see here the music plus minus button, so you can easily scroll to turn on and turn off the music in Free Fire Max. So this is how you can easily turn off music inside the Free Fire Max. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.